No, what is your problem? Why are you harassing me? Why do you think that the best way to live is to go around harassing productive businessmen and women, extorting money from them? What is your problem?
Listen to me. I know whatever thing they call you. You cannot come from wherever you are coming from and lecture me on how we are going to run our town. If you are not comfortable with what you are proposing, very simple. Leave this place and go back to your land.
You lie.
What?
I say you lie. Eh? For the land on which I work does not belong to you, so you cannot tell me where to stand or where not to stand, or where to open my shop or where not to run my business. You're disturbing me, this man. What is your problem? Hey, look at me very well. I am not faced by all of this thing. Dude, you will not move me. You see your stupidity and arrogance will not even move me one bit. Leave my place of business. You're disturbing me.
And if I should disturb you, what will you do?
What will I do?
Look at this. It is very clear you want to die, right?
Me?
You want to die, right? Because you don't know the man you are dealing with. Listen to me, Akpan. It is either you pay your tax or I will say that of this time. You want to bet me on that?
I pay my tax to the government and not to touts like you.
And here in Inlove, I am the government. Listen to me, Akpan. It is either you pay or I am going to make you play with your life.
You know what? Oga?
Okay, what
I say? I don't understand what you're saying. Leave, don't come back here again. Don't come back here. Mabasi, if you come back to this shop again, Mabasi, I will cut your leg. Come back here again. Tout. Ah! What kind of nonsense is this now? Chief Tout. Look at the stomach.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.